Eliminating dust concerns on our finishing and some drawing areas is crucial for the health of our employees as well as the environment. This video reviews some of the basic operating principles of our dust collecting systems on site. The exhaust manifold is a distribution system made of slide gates, snorkel lines, and drum ports. The ProFlap explosion protection system is used to isolate and protect the process side of the system. During normal operation, the downstream mounted back pressure flap is kept open by the airflow. When the system is off, the flap closes due to its own weight. In the event of an explosion within the system, the flap closes due to the excessive pressure front within the duct and prevents the propagation of flames and pressure to the upstream equipment. There are two sensors built into the ProFlap. The deposit sensor is used to detect the presence of the flap blade upon closure. The accumulation sensor detects the high deposits of dust within the valve area. It is extremely important to never allow moisture or water to enter the exhaust system. If this happens, the fine dust that is present in the ProFlap will develop a coating on both sensors and will put the system into alarm. The Donaldson dust collector contains 4 UltraWeb MERV 15 filters. The dust collects around the outside of the filter and the exhaust air up through the filters to the suction side of the exhaust fan. As with the sensors, moisture or water must never enter the system, as the fine dust will create a crust on the filters. The filters get pulsed with 60 pounds of air whenever the delta pressure across the filters reaches 6 inches of water. The dust drops into the collection drum with the help of an auger. The system is monitored and controlled from an Aerodyne panel utilizing Allen-Bradley controls. There are 2 control panels for each dust collecting system, one outside and one inside at each point of use. The dust collector system can be started from both of these locations. Once the system is started, the delta pressure across the filters as well as the static pressure is shown. If the system goes into alarm, a banner in the middle of the screen will appear. There are several ways to clear these alarms, as well as to manually pulse the filtering housing with air. For this reason, individual, separate hands-on training will be given on the panel view. As stated, the system cannot tolerate moisture or water to reach the ProFlap isolator or the filters. It is essential to shut down the unit when not in use and during any cleanout operations.